Good morning, students of the ninth standard and the 10th standard. Today we are going to learn English grammar and we are going to deal with the word. We are going to deal with the lesson belonging to language study, and in language study we are going to deal with same words used as a different parts of speech. Okay, noun, verb, and all. No, these are different parts of speech. Let us see. The meaning of the word in the sentence determines to what part of speech it that word belongs. The same word may be sometimes one part of speech, sometimes another parts of speech. Okay, we had seen the lesson what is parts of speech, that is word class, that is noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. When I'm speaking of parts of speech, not figure of speech. Do not get confused with figure of speech and parts of speech. Parts of speech are noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. These are called parts of speech. And another is called figure of speech, that is simile, metaphor, hyperbole, all those, no, at climax, anticlimax. Okay, that is parts, figure of speech. This is parts of speech. So here one word can be used in a sentence as noun, at the same time that can be used as a verb. Now you can see the first sentence given there. A noun, the word you can see is face. Okay, an expression of joy was seen on her face. An expression of joy was seen on her face. So here become on her face means face becomes a noun. You must face life with courage and determination. Now when you say you must face life means it shows that that face becomes a verb. Here it becomes that you have to face it. No, you have to go through it. You have to not run away from it. You have to face it. But there in the first, an expression of joy was seen on your face. Face means your face. This is a fast train to Dadar. Okay, now here it becomes an adjective. Fast becomes an adjective. It's showing the train is how fast. Then second it becomes the social worker undertook a fast unto death in jail. Now fast becomes noun. Fast means not eating food. Not eating food is called fast. And here it fast train means it is the speed, showing speed. That becomes an adjective. Here it becomes a noun, fast. Okay. So these are the sentences which are given over here. So one verb can be sometimes the word which is used in the sentence can become a noun, as well as the same word can be used as a verb in another sentence. Adjective, pronoun, preposition, or might be adverb also. Okay, so this is what about the same word used as different parts of speech. So I want you students to complete your homework. Okay. We'll go to the next lesson. Okay, and next lesson I shall deal with something called affixes. Okay, we are going to deal with something called affixes. Now what is this affixes? An affix, a word or part of word added in the beginning or at the end of the word. A word or part of word added in the beginning or at the end of the word is called an affix. Like for example, the word is partial. So what is added over there? Impartial. Okay. Word is home. What is added at the end is less, becomes homeless. Here im is put for partial, becomes impartial. Here less is put, it becomes homeless. So what is a prefix? A prefix, a syllable or part of word or a word placed before a word. Okay, you can see impartial. Word is placed before the word partial. That is impartial. Recount. Count is the word. Re is put. So this becomes prefixes. I am and re. Same way for a suffix. Suffix means what? A syllable or part of word or a word placed after a word. For example, home is there. You put what? Less, becomes homeless. Taste is there. You put full, becomes tasteful. This is called affixes. An affix, a prefix, a suffix. Now let us go to this is a simple way of understanding this lesson. Let us go in a deep way with the definitions, proper definitions. An affix is a word or part of a word added at the beginning or at the end of the word, thus forming a new word. Okay. The part added at the beginning is called prefix, while the part added at the end is called suffix. A prefix is a syllable or a part of a word or a word itself that is placed before a word to form another word. When a word is prefixed, the word class does not generally change, but the meaning changes. Like social becomes antisocial, again change, the whole thing changes. Social is different, antisocial is different. Count, recount. Okay. Discourage, discourage. Regular, irregular. Necessary, unnecessary. Okay. A suffix is a syllable or a part of a word or a word itself that is placed at the end of a word to form another word. In the case of suffixing, the word class may change entirely along with the change in the meaning. Tasteful, tasteful. Shameless, celebration, celebration. Meekness, development. Okay, so that is a sentence which you are supposed to do. Got it? Yes. Thank you, students. So these are the two lessons which you have to deal with. Okay, suffix and affix.